I'd like to introduce what is inside Three Fellows' car in my van. And let's see what do we have got here. Stolpen, of course, a few telescope poles for felling tongs, some chainsaws, 550, another 550, MS 400, MS 500, 560, and a couple MS 194. Extra helmet, some first aid kits, my branch saw Husqvarna 530 IPT5, so I can do branching in 5 meters. A battery blower 320 IB. Some tongs. With these we pull logs. If they are not that kind of place, we can collect them in straight to the tractor. Leaf rakes. Of course my fiskars. Several of them. A big one. A splitting axe. Shovels. Lots of chains. One Sugihara, made in Japan. This is for test use. Some chain oil. Some gasoline. Tanks. Spare parts, files. Tools. Wedges, lots of them, ropes, and also some firewood if Joni gets hungry. A little bit messy, but maybe I'll clean them someday if I have some extra time. Work safely.